How to add a cover photo to your Snapchat public profile on Android. This tutorial shows you how to set a background image that appears on your public profile at the top right corner of the screen. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. From there, tap on the Public Profile tab at the top to switch over to it. At this point, you'll notice a pencil icon alongside a gear icon at the top right corner of the public profile page. Tap the pencil icon to start editing. In the next step, a list of editable options will appear. Scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Edit Background Image. Following this, your gallery will open up, and all the photos from your camera roll will be available to browse through. Once done, find the photo you want to use as your cover and tap on it to select it. From here, a preview will appear, showing how the photo looks as your background. Drag it around to adjust the positioning until it looks exactly how you want. Finally, once you're happy with how it looks, tap Upload at the top right corner, and your new cover photo will be saved to your public profile right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you add a cover photo to your Snapchat public profile on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.